Hello everyone. Today we will discuss about pumpable concrete. Nowadays pumpable concrete is one of the main type of concrete used for massive building for the ease of construction. Pumped concrete has many advantage over conventional concrete. So first we have to understand what is pumpable concrete. Pumpable concrete is the concrete which can easily pass through a pipeline without causing segregation and bleeding is called pumped concrete. We can also say that pumped concrete is the concrete which is transported to heights by means of pumping using concrete pumps. This method is used where large quantity of concrete work is involved at greater height where other means of transporting is not easy to do. So they are mostly used in a concrete pumps for high-rise building. Using pumpable concrete, you can transfer concrete from mixing place to construction place without causing any delay in concrete placing. If you use any other type of transporting concrete, there will be a delay in each step while placing the concrete. So concrete pumps have been known for more than 50 years. In modern times, large quantities of concrete can be transported by means of pumping through pipelines over appreciable distance, often to locations that may not be easily accessible by other means of delivery. So what are the requirements of pumped concrete? The slump value recommended for good pumpable concrete range from 50 mm to 150 mm. The water cement ratio should not be too high. If the water content is too high, then the water alone will move faster along the pipe, result in blocking of aggregates of the concrete in the pipe. The concrete should not be too wet or too dry. The pumped concrete should not be sticky, and air entrainment admixture is also helpful for the transmission of concrete. There are two types of pump using in pumping concrete. First one is direct acting pump. So a majority of the concrete pumps are of the direct acting horizontal piston type with semi-rotary valve. We can see in the figure. The operation of the direct acting pump is simple. The concrete is fed into the pump by gravity and partially by suction created due to the reciprocating motion of the horizontally acting piston. Here we can see the piston in this image. So while the semi-rotatory valve open and close alternatively, suction pressure of the order of 0.08 Newton per mm square is developed in the pumping cylinder under favorable condition. So best suction conditions are obtained if the diameter of the suction pipe is the same as that of pumping cylinder, so that the concrete can flow unhindered. So concrete should be able to flow freely through the full cross section of the suction pipe, and possible blockage due to oversized aggregate should be avoided. Ideally, the diameter of the suction pipe should be at least 3 times the maximum size of the aggregate in the concrete to be pumped. The diameter of the suction pipe therefore controls the maximum size of aggregate which can be used in a given mix of concrete to be pumped. So during the suction stroke, the inlet valve open and concrete is admitted into the pumping cylinder. The outlet valve remaining closed in the delivery stroke, the outlet valve get open and the inlet valve being closed. The concrete gets pushed into the delivery pipeline. So the concrete moves in a series of impulses, the delivery pipe always remaining full. Outputs of up to 60 meter cube per hour can be achieved in the modern pumps through 220 mm diameter delivery pumps. So second one is squeeze concrete pump. So surface type pumps are smaller portable peristaltic type pumps. The concrete from the collecting hooper is fed by rotating blades into a flexible pipe connected to the pumping chamber, which is under a vacuum of about 0.08 Newton per mm square. The vacuum ensures that except when being squeezed by the rotating rollers, the pipe shape remains cylindrical and thus permits a continuous flow of concrete. The two rotating rollers mounted on the planetary drives progressively skews the flexible pipe and thus push the concrete into the delivery pipe. Output of up to 20 meter cube per hour can be obtained with skews pumps using 75 mm diameter pipelines. So the second type of pump is skews concrete pumps. The skews concrete pumps convey concrete by squeezing its pumping tube installed in the cylindrical drum as shown in the figure below. So here we can understand the pumping concrete and type of pump used in pumping concrete. So thanks for watching this video.